Okay, today I just want to show you how I use Quantwill's GEX Heatmap and place an exact trade that it helped me find. So without further ado, just going straight into it, we are talking about INTU. And yes, as you can see, we are in positive gamma, surprisingly. Just to zoom in a little bit for you, positive gamma means that the walls and the dealer positioning is going to dampen the moves or attract them to it if it's supported by Vana and Charm. So clearly here you can see price at 260 and above the flip level of 257.5. There is also a put wall around 240 for this week, and in one visual you can see clearly where the positioning is heading. This level is popping right into my eyes around $270, and usually we get attracted towards this level until the July 17th. So before placing any trades, I also check my understanding with quantitative intelligence. I just let him analyze the same stuff for me, and it does confirm that this is a bullish setup. It does consider Vana and Charm, and it's enormously positive. So the delta decays as time passes. So it will only also give you ideas of how to play this. Given that the market is pricing this in already, and everyone can see this huge call wall and the gamma wall at a 270 level, quantitative intelligence figured out, hey, just do the bull call spread. So it's going to be a debit spread where you buy the 260 call and you sell a 270 call. That way you get the upside of the move towards 270, but you don't lose on your call value because they're super expensive right now. Alternatively, you can sell the 250 put or 240 as we saw on the heat map. I can show you, it also explains to you visually how it looks like, similarly to what we saw in GEX heatmap. I managed to get it filled for $4.24 debit. So I took 5 spreads, and my maximum profit is obviously 5 times the spread width. It was a $10 spread, so $5,000 minus my fees, which came about 2,000 something dollars. I also did a similar thing for the credit spreads, and I partially funded my trade with that as well. I'll have to be managing this trade and be very careful. I did not overextend on the INTU trade just in case it goes downwards. I can roll my uh, credit spreads on the put side as well, but that's for another video. So let me know what you think about this trade down in the comments. I think it's a very interesting one, and the risks to reward is very good. As you can see in the chart, we are right about that monthly support level, 200 monthly support. So usually there is some kind of a bounce happening even towards potentially 290. That's an alternative play, some more deep out of money calls that are not that expensive anymore. Yeah, this is INTU for all of you. The in case this kind of breaks, there is another support zone right about here. This is why I was picking my 240 zones for the spread as well. So we'll see, spreads give you the defined risk to reward ratio. I do not want to go with cash secure puts here just because if we break even this support level, remember we broke the daily 200, see this grind up, couldn't break it and just capitulated over that. We also broke the weekly trend line as well. That was previously very, very strong support. So our last defense is the monthly support. And if this breaks, there could be further downside acceleration. Even though we're in positive gamma, this is going to be very interesting uh, to see how the price moves, and it could go all the way down to 100. So I don't want to do that kind of take that kind of risk. I keep it relatively defined with my put credit spreads. That's the strategy for Intuit. Let me know what you think and what can I do better.